Hello there, this is my channel. Motivate me, support me by subscribing my channel. Starting from today, I will continue the next days with Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Publisher, Microsoft Access, how to use internet, and as the last, typing Amharic easily. I will demonstrate these lessons in my channel. Try to support motivate me by subscribing my channel. Here I will start Microsoft Windows. Here is the main menu. Click on one of the three. Under this, getting to know the window environment, how to use mouse and keyboard easily, Window Explorer or File Explorer, getting to know the start menu, how to start a program or software, using calculator, search a file, using paint, save and save as command, using WordPad, open a file or a folder, working with files and folders, creating a folder anywhere, renaming any file or folder, deleting files and folders, moving, copying files and folders, customizing the desktop, customizing the taskbar, English keyboard typing. And as the last exercise under the Microsoft Windows main menu. Therefore, I will cover some of the pointers under this window and I will continue in next days. I think we will have a nice time. Thank you. Subscribe me and follow the lesson. Thank you. Getting to know the Windows environment. What's Microsoft Windows? Here. Microsoft Windows, it is a multitasking operating system software which tells the computer what to do, how to do, and when to do different tasks according to users' need. There are variety of softwares under operating software, which is the category of software, the family of software. When you think about the family of software, we have application software and system software. Under system software, we have operating software. The first classification under system software is Microsoft Windows or operating system. Microsoft Windows, it is a multitasking operating system software. We tell the computer what to do, how to do, and when to do different tasks according to the user's need. When you say the user is a person that interacts with the computer. For instance, using keyboard or mouse, I am commanding the computer and the computer replies an answer. From where? Just using this window by interacting with window with the hardware. It gives us an answer. Therefore, the window is the interface between the user and the hardware. It is the backbone of computer. Without Microsoft Windows, the computer is nothing. It is the life. It is the life of a computer. Any computer system have a software and the hardware. This software is the backbone of a computer system. For instance, here how to know the window operating system type for this computer. Possible by right clicking this PC, on this PC, right click, then properties. I'll try to more interactive when I teach here in my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. Here, by using right click properties, you can know the system property of a particular computer. For instance, here is a type of operating the system type here with 64-bit operating system with 64-base processor. When stored ROM is 80 GB. Just it's possible to know the installed RAM is 80 GB. Graphics card is 128 GB and the storage capacity for a hard disk is 932 GB. This is a property of this my PC here. The window is Windows 11. Operating system is Windows 11. The starting of computer is known as booting or startup. To start a computer, we must press the power button. Comparing with other electronic device, a digital computer has its own way to start and to finish. On the case of starting, we have to use the power button. To start up, then the starting of a computer known by startup or booting. Booting is the starting of computer. Getting to know the window environment. After booting or startup, the computer gives us the window environment for us. Here are the icons on the desktop. This is the rectangular region that you get after the boot process is finished or after startup. Here icons. These are icons. The pictures are icons. There is a start menu added below here. On the case of Windows 11, it's possible to make also as the middle at the center, but we can adjust and we can make it move to the left by right clicking, then taskbar settings. Taskbar behavior here. The taskbar behavior is center. Center it says when I can make left, it is moved to left. I can make it to the center. The start menu. In case of Windows 11, it's possible to make also as the center. The taskbar here on the desktop region, it lies the taskbar. The taskbar consists of the start button, consists of the date time area, and the special icons and the search box is found at the bottom. The taskbar is here. Date time area at the left corner here. Desktop area. The rectangular region is the desktop area. On the desktop area, we have a taskbar that lies on the desktop and icons, pictorial representations of a program, a file, a document are icons. These are icons, pictures that represent a program, file, or a document. For instance, Adobe Reader is known by this icon. Here, every folder have yellow icons, yellow picture. Here, Convertila have such type of icon. Recycle is known by such type of picture or icon. Mostly, when you want to command a particular program or file, we have to hover mouse pointer on the icon or picture. The taskbar is at the bottom here. It consists start button, the date time area, and other special icons. How to use a mouse easily. One of the graphical user interface Windows operating system enables us to use this technology, graphical user interface or GUI. It is started from the 4th generation since 1971. Possible to point and command easily thanks to the technology. Here the use of left mouse button on the left side. Here is the left side of mouse button. Was the help of this. Use of left mouse button. Pointing it says. Helps you the mouse pointer for the next action. We have to point. We on the left side, using the left side, we can move the mouse pointer. Then we can point and over on any icon. Pointing helps you the mouse pointer for the next action. The other usage for left mouse button is helps you to select, click. On the using the left side of mouse button to click means one selecting. Is selected, highlighted. One click. Is highlighted. One click, it is highlighted. One click, it is highlighted. Using the left side of mouse button. Double click helps you to open. The double click means 2 times click using the left side of mouse button. Double click 2 times. 2 times. It opens. 2 times. It opens. The double click helps you to open. Using this button, the left side of mouse button. The other usage is drag and drop. Helps you to move. Here, using the left side of mouse button. I am showing you how to use the left side of mouse button. Drag and drop means pressing and without releasing the mouse button on the left side of mouse button. Then it is moved. Have you seen? Moved. Using the left side of mouse button without releasing. Without releasing. Without releasing. Without releasing. Without releasing. Without releasing. Then when you reach on the point, you have to release. This is the use of left side of mouse button. What about the right mouse button? When you easily identify the mouse button, we can control the computer easily. Uses of right mouse button. Right click helps you to display an optional shortcut menu, always on blank area. See, it's better also to display by using right click method. Using this button, it displays this shortcut menu. It displays shortcut menu, not only this area, on the desktop area also. It displays a shortcut menu. It helps you to perform additional tasks. Right click. Then click on blank area. If you want to command, you always right click using this side of the mouse button. Helps you to display an optional shortcut menu. How to use a keyboard easily? It is, when you say keyboard, it is the standard and most widely used input device. Just by using keyboard, it's possible to control the computer system. On the absence of mouse, it's possible to control and interact with the computer system. It is the keyboard, it is the standard and the most widely used input device, which means to enter information into your PC. It helps you to enter information into your PC. When we say data, it is a letter, a number, characters, any special characters, picture. In case of letters and numbers and symbols are feedden to, punctuation marks are feed into the computer system using the keyboard. On the keyboard, there are special keys also. Around 101, 102 or 105 keys are found. Based on from computer to computer, it varies. These keys can be divided into 5 sections. The keyboard keys can be divided into 5 sections. The first is alphanumeric keys. What the alphanumeric? Let me show you here. Displaying a keyboard. Alphanumeric. Here is on screen keyboard. How can you open on screen keyboard? On the start menu, just typing on the screen. On SC, just choose on screen keyboard. Here alphanumeric keys, also known as typing keys. The alphanumeric keys are also typing keys. The alphanumeric, they consist of letter, alphabets and numbers. Combination of letters and numbers. Also known as typing keys. And these keys work just like conventional typewriter. Before the existence of this digital system, thanks to the technology, people use typewriters to produce documents. Here, it's typically the same to conventional typewriter. Conventional typewriter consists of alphanumeric keys only. Numbers, letters here. Combination of letters and numbers. These include English alphabets A up to Z, capital A up to Z, or lowercase digits 0 up to 9. Here, 0 up to 9 numbers, the letters. The enter key, here the enter key. It helps you to begin a new line. The space to create a gap between the words. The backspace key, it helps you to delete characters to the left. The shift key, it helps you to combine with letters and numbers to command the computer. For instance, if the caps lock is off, shift plus A helps you to type the uppercase letter or capital letter. The caps lock key helps you to type the uppercase letters or capital letters. If the caps lock is on, it's possible to type uppercase or capital letters. The first section is alphanumeric keys. Here we will continue. Don't forget to subscribe and to follow my channel. Thank you. Here the second numeric keys. How to use keyboard easily. Numeric keys found at the right side of the keyboard. It is found at the right side of the keyboard. Numeric keys. And lets you enter numerical data more easily. For instance, on the use of calculator or on the use of specially the numbers for Excel softwares that need or mostly they use or designed for the case of calculation purpose, they use numbers. Excel, for instance, mostly we use to fit the numbers, to perform numbers. That's why, rather than using the alphanumeric keys, the numbers by themselves found on the right side. And we can not forget to the status is whether it is on or off in the numlock. When the numlock is off, we cannot type the keypad numbers. But in case of the numlock, if it is off, we cannot type. We should make the status is on to type it well. The function keys, the other section of the keys are the classification of keys, function keys. These keys perform different tasks. They are found at the top of your keyboard, F1 to F12. They have their own functions. For instance, in every software, till in Microsoft, in desktop window, F1 is help. F2 is help to rename, for instance. F12 in Microsoft Word to save as. But in every software, they have their own tasks. Therefore, F1 to F12 are functional keys. And the other category is navigation keys. These keys are keys that are used to navigate through your document. They help you to move up or down. For instance, when you create multiple pages in Microsoft Word, may not be to see or display all the screens or pages on the particular screen. We have to use the page up or page down. And we can use home and end to move to the end of the line or to the beginning of the line. On the keyboard here, home tab, end tab, page up, page down. They are called navigation keys. And in addition to these keys, navigation keys, the left, right, up, down, including this, are navigation keys. The last classification is computer keys. These are keys not found on typewriters. They perform different tasks when used alone or conjunction with other keys. In previous eras, before the introduction of this digital computer, thanks to the technology, people use typewriters to create document-based files. I mean, to in the paper form. Therefore, these computer keys are not found on typewriters; they are found on computer keys. Combining with other keys, it's possible to perform. That's why, on the absence of keyboard, I mean mouse, it's possible to use the keyboard only to control or to interact with the computer. ESC is cancelled. Alt, alternate key, control, print screen, scroll lock, pause, insert, delete. They are computer keys found only on the keyboard. I mean computer keyboard. The following keys are very important. Shift keys are used to type capital characters and special characters labeled on key, such as how can we type these keys on the keyboard? Here are the special keys here. Shift keys are used to type capital characters. If caps lock is off, possible to make A, for instance. Holding by down shift key with letter A. It gives you capital A. These special punctuation marks. If on the keyboard there are two symbols or punctuation marks, to type the above one, it's possible to hold shift key first. Without releasing shift key, possible to type question mark, exclamation mark, for instance, by holding down shift key. If it is not hold down shift key, it is not active, the above ones. Now it is exclamation at the hash dollar. To type the above one, we have to hold down shift key. Alt and control modifier keys, they are called modifier conjunction with other keys. For instance, Alt plus F4 is exit. It helps you to exit the program. Alt plus F4, functional F4. Control plus C, for instance, copy. That helps you to do additional tasks. The print screen key to help you to print the screen. For instance, here print screen. Then paint, opening paint, and you can paste on paint program. Print screen helps you to print the screen. Or you can paste into Microsoft Word also or other document fields. Edit, paste. Now you see the screen is copied. The printer screen used to print a paper copy of whatever is on the screen when the key is pressed. The other alternative to copy a screen is just let me show you snipping tool. Just on the start menu type SNI. Snipping tool helps you to copy any opened window starting from the desktop area. When it is ready, new. You have to wait it. Now I can capture as a picture here. You see it? It is copied now. I can save it for later usage this screen. Save here. Save. Then you can give it as a name. As JPG it will be saved. This screen. Or you can copy to other document windows. Here is to type the symbol, for instance, and press without release at the same time shift key and number 7. To type, for instance, the symbol and this symbol ampersand, we say it in computer or IT. Press without release at the same time, without releasing. Shift is number 7. The pause key temporarily suspends an activity. It helps you to pause. For instance, when you are playing on Windows Media Player, you can use this key. The keyboard also has a status indicator area on the right side. Based on the keyboard type, you will have it may have differs the place. Numlock to type numbers, numlock areas to make it active. We have to check it, numlock. When we press numlock, it is off, caps lock, on off, scroll lock, on off status are there. Which when this indicator light is on, the corresponding mode is on. Here diagram part of the keyboard, the functional keys at the top, F1 up to F12. The numeric keys, here are the numeric keys, numlock, we have to make it numlock on, and the status will be here on. Here is alphabetical keys. It consists of number letters enter key. And in case of navigational keys here, navigational keys, here navigational, left, down, home, in, page down, page up. This area is navigational key. This is numerical keys. We have to check name lock when it is on. You can type. Here is the functional keys. Here is the alphabetical keys, and also two functional keys. For today it's enough. I will continue next time. Motivate me, support me by subscribing my channel.